Hello, this is novaTopFlex. In this video, I will be testing and demonstrating a Python script. While I will not be perfect with how many G's there should be 15 G's, but the code counts 17. Feel free to tell me if I did something wrong in the comments and why I might have more G's than there actually are in the name of this word. It's just one word, but it is the longest place name in North America. Because it is the longest place name in North America, I'm using this lake name as good demonstration in my code. So the longest lake name in North America, and it's going to say which letter is which. It's going to be capitalized, but it's not all caps and definitely not all lowercase. So the uppercase letter, the first letter is uppercase and all later indices are lowercase. The first letter is letter 0. However, I actually changed the code so that the first letter I can type sys.argv, and if I have that first letter will be assigned, so it's 0, but the code makes it so it's the first letter. So the first letter is letter 0, but I can type 1 because I actually did the arithmetic. I did an arithmetic operation that makes it possible for me to do this. So there are 45 letters. Normally it's letters 0 through 44, but I made it so it appears as 1 through 45. Now, because this is Python, you can actually use negative indices and go back towards the beginning. That's right. I believe that negative 44 is going to be... Now, negative 45, I think, is the first, and negative 1, I think, is the last, if I know correctly. So you can search backwards or you can search forwards in Python. Either or. Now, if you're wondering what this lake is the longest lake name and place name in all of North America. Located in the town of Webster, Massachusetts. It is actually the third longest place name in the world, I believe. 45 letters for just the lake name. New Zealand has a place name of 85 letters, and Wales has one of 58. Seanfire Pushquinga Shantisilio Kokokok. Sorry that I messed that one up. But in Massachusetts, the 45-letter name is Lake Chargagagog, Manchagagog, Shabunagungamog. Again, very easy to mess this name up. Lake Shabunagungamog is, I believe, the formal name officially, and it's just called Lake Webster or Webster Lake informally at some points. I know that if you actually have any backstories to share about this longest lake name in North America, a lot of places in the area will celebrate the full name of the lake. And if you like this type of content and would like to learn more about string manipulation and other topics, please like, share, comment, subscribe, try the Hat to YouTube algorithm, and thanks for watching. Signing off.